The measurement of an angle in standard position is listed, in which quadrant is the terminal ray. Now, a terminal ray is basically, if you were to look at it something, and these are in radians, terminal rays exist at its original measurement between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, if I were to measure an angle, you always start out at the right with 0 radians. Every time we spin around a complete circle, it's the same as 2 pi, which means half a spin is 1 pi, a quarter of a spin is pi over 4, 2, just kidding, pi over 2, and 3/4 of a spin is 3 pi over 2, or 1.5 pi. Squeeze that in there. Now, what I need to do with these guys is I need to subtract or add 2 pi, because every spin is 2 pi and it lands you in the same exact spot. I need to add or subtract 2 pi until I land in the sweet spot between 0 and 2 pi. And when I do, I'll figure out if we're in quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant IV, also known as 4. Like and subscribe if you enjoy that joke. You won't. Let's subtract 2 pi. That gets me 0.9 pi. 0.9 pi is less than 1 pi, but greater than half a pi. So we're looking at quadrant 2 for this guy right here, quadrant 2. With this, I'm going to be adding 2 pi a bunch of times. So if I add 2 pi, that gets me here. If I do it again, that gets me here. And if I do it again, that gets me here. And if I do it again, that gets me here. Adding 2 pi one more time will get me 1.9 pi. 1.9 pi is less than 2, but greater than 1.5 pi, which lands me in quadrant 4. Thanks for watching.